Another fine vehicle offered by Miracle Chrysler Dodge Jeep.
This is a 2001 Dodge Ram 1500. It has what you need for work as well as what you want for play. Complementing this Dodge's contemporary styling is a stunning array of desirable features which include power windows, cruise control, an AM/FM radio, driver's side impact airbag, an anti-lock braking system, and this vehicle has just over 70,000 miles. This truck's powertrain includes a 5.9-liter 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Not to mention that this Dodge qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Miracle Chrysler Dodge Jeep is located at 1290 Nashville Pike in Gallatin. Our main objective is to make your experience at our dealership a satisfying one, whether it's for sales, service, or parts.